With Halloween coming up, the fine folks at Heritage Type have created another skull creator. This one's specifically designed for Halloween. I'm going to zoom this in here so we can see this a bit better. Check this out. This is a high-end, easy-to-use tool. Now, I happen to be in Affinity Photo, and really all I'm doing is I'm just going into this Layers panel, and I'm just turning on and off different layers. So for example, let's say I wanted to change out the jaw. Well, I simply expand out the layer, and I've got a couple different jaws that I can use. I can turn in and off teeth. I can also change out the way the jaw looks. The skull itself I can change. I can get rid of the standard skull, and I can have a zombie skull. Maybe I like the standard skull. What about evil skull? That one looks pretty good. There's also, for the Halloweeners out there, a pumpkin skull. Good grief, skulls everywhere. There's even an eyes option. You can change out the different eyes, and you can have all sorts of different features. I'm going to go up here to the hair, and I'm going to turn on the beehive hair. Wow, look at that. I'm going to get rid of pumpkin skull. I'm going to go back to evil skull. There's so many different options. One thing I really like here, for example, is the hands. It's all aligned together. So for example, if I look at the hands, I've got a right hand and a left hand. Well, I'm going to turn off the left hand. Left hand now disappears. And then I'm going to go into the other group, and I'm going to turn on the left hand just like that. I could even switch that out if I wanted as well. How cool is that? So what do you actually get inside of this bundle? Well, you get the actual skull creator, which works in Adobe Illustrator. It also works in Affinity Designer. And then you get a Photoshop file as well. And that Photoshop file you can use in Photoshop, or you can also use it in Affinity Photo. That's what I was just doing a couple seconds ago. You also get a couple fonts that you can install as well. Good looking Halloween font there. And you even get the PNG files underneath as well. And this is really cool if you just want to use a piece of the file specifically. You've got the underlying assets as well. This is a really nice feature. These are super high quality assets that'll look great on a t-shirt, coffee mug, or any sort of print-on-demand product that you want to create. I'm in my old version of Photoshop now, and you can see here it works just fine. I'm going to put the cat on top of the head, and check this out. It's so detailed that even when I go into the eye layer, you can actually change things like just the eyeball. I'm going to zoom in here just a bit more so we can see this. Check out just the eyeball. You can change the way the eye looks. You can actually move the irises around. It's so cool. And by simply highlighting it and selecting it, you could actually even move it if you so choose. It's a completely editable file, and it's so easy to use. I absolutely love it. So Heritage Type is known for offering a lot of high-end graphical design elements, and the Skull Creator is among them. Here you can see it's $59. However, I've got a special deal. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go to the cart, and over here on the right, when you go to check this out, you can type in a coupon code, SPOOKY, click the apply button, and check that out. So I'm going to put a link to this in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link, and that just means if you click on the link and you wind up buying something, I would receive a small commission. This Halloween edition of Skull Creator does come with commercial license, and what that means is that if you make designs, you can sell those designs on places like Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon. You can create high-end t-shirts, you can create coffee mugs, all sorts of print-on-demand, fine art prints, whatever you like. It's also great, even if you're not working in print-on-demand, it's just a great fun crafting tool, and really the opportunities for this are endless. I highly recommend checking them out. Heritage Type cranks out really, really nice graphical design software, easy to use, high quality. Check them out today. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your print-on-demand journey using Heritage Type. Thanks a lot for watching.